Eto comedians we see asem kese aba Ghana nurses for no ediabufuo abe classes essential president John Mahama on the NDC government. So far as nursing posting e concern say yenu amunese for mo we executive fee I was a post we mo no. And some aba ebuburuja ama ebi de abufuo aba mediums e common say be dwam amwate ase no akere wadwe na e de amame e wo comment section. How you PENYAH block media. Let's say need Obe like key video on that my brother subscribe button somebody click notification icon of latest update somebody chira wadwe da mame e wo comment section oba so a not sure for so enya bia hwe en je go 24 elections in fact campaign message the baby na e ba ye oko the NDC side dia omo hihye ebo bebrebe ana emu ba ako dodo na e koma nurses obe kai excellency e promise nurses for say oba he will ensure what we call automatic posting just uwie with national service ya wontina fie nche pa ni a post you at to center na o ye adwuma enu akatu aso de enkam month bia won sabeka e mo sa hye nurses for no mo call nursing training school no o sa hye mo say o me ba me ya we malawa no mo kwense de ma month bia no menim say etimi kan be 3 months 2 months na obo ma ba me de be ba monthly basis month bia mo sabeka bo hye nsem John Mahama any NDs edema nurses for no ebucha na enye bo hye ketua and you know empenifo nipa enim na wia no yen so Kenya hwenu manager because bekaya from 2013 to 2016 na Mahama betuna Ghana community as omanpanyin no not a single nurse was employed. Yan fa nurse ni bia adwuma not a single nurse was employed from 2013 to 2016 na Mahama tena community no and ne benya 4-year batches as backlog. Ano munyina tifie etegu for be start posted free Mahama time 2013 and a group started posting a group for MK employment or posting for 8 years, starting from 2013, Mahama time. And we see 2019 on another time, 8 years. 8 years of employment to nurses. A group of baby. But 2004 year collection, I say amount for a few years now. Over a few classes from 2013 to 16, Mahama posted. Now a group for LB posting from 17 to 19. Now, say be a portal no. SAA recruitment exercise say funders is for everything can be a portal for allied health professionals. What I say, allied health nurses. Omu na say ye for umajuma. But how omu recruitment is call ye no? Ubie system so ye obetem penten kwa network na ejame na system na shate na freeze na ye say nyame ordinate meeting ramu so a yes no slot. Ghana he na we anya slot there say employment na afa akon. Ebi ana to nurses free. Nurse for no try abusia yes no slot ama media no so media before about say na Mahama pardon na e kan say
it is already sad on a level that we've stayed in the house for a very long time. It is already sad on that level. So if you know you're not ready to post us, why open the portals? Or why come and give us high hopes that you want to post us? One post is, and who conditions be brave. Our seniors postings didn't go on like this. It was so smooth. You come and sit on stations. The minister come and sit on stations and be saying, this is my number posting. Yeah, you said you would take us to the villages. We said, okay, no problem. We will go. We will do the work. After posting, never. Why your postings need view once? Human being will not sleep. Human being will go through stress. We will buy bundles upon bundles because we know you people. Anything that has to do with portal, you find ways and means. Like maybe you don't have internet connection. Maybe you don't have bundle. You should use laptop. We've made sure we've got all the requirements. Some of us have to even go to stuff borrowing laptops. People have to go and buy laptops just for this recruitment process. Why did they even change the recruitment process in the first place? Why? Staying in the house from 2020, 2021 till this time. What do you say you're easy? If you guys are not ready to post us, why did you come and give us hope that you want to open a portal? You open the portal, no slots. People open portals, they see slots, they click on it before they submit. They'll tell you that somebody has taken the slot. What kind of pain do you put deriving in making us sad? What kind of joy do you put deriving doing that? And it's how the minister goes on channels and talk nonchalantly, no empathy at all for we the nurses, we the citizens of the country. You know the monies we pay going to school, getting our degrees and our diplomas. As a person, that's a degree from diploma for that's a young camel. As for us a young Yenda, you will be on the portal. Sometimes we in a portal and say, yeah, or refresh, they tell you too many attempts. Abra too many attempts be a cry. They'll tell you too many attempts. Retry. Obaka retry, no, it's not a mom on call for. Let's come and say, so people come and tell us that we are talking against our ministers and our leaders because they have gone and they are secured the slots. You can't catch and say we should take time. We should relax if slots come again. Minister must be catching yes, we are posting and they'll give us voluntary job and be giving us something little. Did you go to school and be taking something little? Tell us so that we'll know. at the end of the day, one of the said, did necessary for them. Any midwife for them. Give us the job to do that. Most of us in Facebook or school, tell me, Minister Bana, MP Bana, DC Bana, the Bible used to 5 years. You people have money to pay for your ministers, their sitting allowances, their salaries, their fuel allowance, and all of that. But when it comes to read the netizens, with the citizens that we are supposed to, yeah, brain, yeah, cost by year, Juma, we haven't paid the tax. When it's time for you to post us to her, it's I don't understand the brain. What at all is this? What at all is this? What is going on? What is going on? This man, we will not let you post sleep. We will not let you sleep at all until you post us. Until you post us, we will not let you sleep. You want to do and close the portal on Friday and come and tell us that some of us were not fast. It's the first come, first serve affair. Tell me why you tell us after the posting 16,000, no, so not near 7,000. So you will give it to your people. So that you will give it to your people. What is all this? Does everything have to be politics? Does everything in this country have to be politics? Are they? And then in Confonable Hospital, why you say we have people now, we have this before we take care of them. Are they? What is it? We will not let you post Lipo. You have to post us, and you will post us, and you will do it fairly. You will have to do it fairly. You will do it. You will make it transparent, because we are tired of staying in the house. Our parents are suffering. We are suffering. What is it?
Oh, Bekacha, me nurse ni say. Me mentiasie. Na me hwe patient wo form. Na se me spinal cord mu bua. Waka je nko twa card 5 cedis. Ansa na ya hwe me. Me ko twa card 5 cedis. Edrobi amaji biam na metuaka. Me nurse patient wo form no. A me mepra no. Me no me se me hwe me ho abanyi ni hwe ode be ma me hwe apia stadium last week Ghana for kobobo ayi omone Australia se wan we kobo match no hwe omutwa business class na de ma apia stadium then apia stadium e contribute to Ghana ha eya more those people sa mandate ne sa sika no think some and the woman be scan e komo 70% ye for 70% ya mo 30% hwe eja obi am de sha Ghana for kon na me nurse ni no be ka che me say me nurse patient of form money risk sometimes necessary fam asma make no eni so tata me pa enye den na me dey sa video ye wo profit say me ye message djuma apart from my salary no me hu sika bia de ka me sika ho da uniform allowance ni po say 1 year say ten na po e dey say uniform allowance dem ma no ne kura wo gina ho a abon ho e ma wakoto watare to agude bebre and now you de propose akoye Ghana fan no 2 years so sad nya ko demonstration inti no and na nipa wu but ya no ye family de mu hu yes so wo krom na so wo ye adwuma o rent dan me bia me we rent is a single room 1,700 a rent ni easy eso abani ponka say oh ye tua nurses fa allowance ayi rent allowance pa momo hwe eya wo risk ayi take TB patient HIV patient we ko biompo to be pa gloves pe bi ni ho no but you have to look for them because one sure mo na say eya de be che na say bibia patient na your own hospital no the mo de be deal no o ka wani nje e wadwuma mo no hwe we nyina ye fam eto bebia me adwuma fans mpo bi pra ni wo fan otimi wra dan ni mu patient go ho be pie no ho nyina afọ this a patient no or the fan free ni fie no da besi wo hwe de ekoso wo honom na obi kotonkonwa 8 billion ni nyamanyama esi no honom ene Ghana for sen enka wasem because NPP did worse into so we musokado omoye wesa ayi endo me kwadwuma ye 2 staff pe last ban fa adwuma na kampoka incentive oka ya one fa workers no at least you should compensate us ye ho chira endo 2 patient ko theater o say de mo ko theater ye wie case ni enkofa bimbra ni ye koba endra ayi cases omde call ye patient relative ba ko pe no ba ye o say nipa etresical lab ekokwaje moja me wa e to pay o ai obi ebi nso go on mo say ehwe mo say ye ja ye de ye na next it is gina ye so say ye ni enko honom ni enkwaje moja ne mba ase 20 ye na o ye ho akire ye ye nya sika ni bi so ndi o ye nya sika ni bi ndi nanso se nurse ni ekukon se nurse ni bi ato adro bi ma patient a hey na no so ene ba moto adro ma ye eno de enye job description but say patient bi ni what na say ye collab ye fa na ye see her to save patients in life there eno de job descriptions na akando minister no do ni mani so bia ko hospital bia ko si ni video na de amano ene no buy press conference ene nurse for to say ene nurse. And the way people are disgracing us, she risk a fem with Juma Monoman, and yes, seminar near can. She yawa yef above your salary, no, when your incentives pure baby into second one of depending solely on. Now, here put me quick dream, a dream so point 2 o'clock, we do flag about 4. That's all we're dreaming part we are betting my oh, dream because staff no about 1 ponko fin one break, oh, sorry about the next dinner, about no late. Only with Juma Popo, call back up with 1 ponam ye. because if 3-4 o'clock, okay, so could be the kala so show mo na o business po be da ye. You take this risk in na fam. Abaye na just say o check pimpa kan wo de amaye. So mo sori na kwablani je mo diska no mo de yese. Now edru yeso a mo be sori abekutia ye. Enyoma na enye na say ye kan wasem. Wo de obi mra hospital no me de ebi mponto me da. Ye ba beto aba. Na video bi koso around sa lady bi oye nurse ni o say na do sick o de ma ye nche na asa nti oye ko toba na NDC and the some of GG nurses for nya no NDC government ni ma omo ba yom de meko patient in PENYAH no e to de bi ni pa kasa ho ya fa ya nso ya komo ma de ya obeka sem bi a ye bewie no na ayi bi ni kwase ye wie na nso nya meti ase ye nkasa ma ya no nkotre obia ne mo say NDC MPP government nye yes MPP government nye government oba ye opposite nurses post nurses for interview opposite 2015 2016 batches bomu 2017 opposite omo 2018 opposite both referrals ni way opposite omo na wo kwapo the postings kura wanye bi amba o yeso so ewom no so at least ka ba me yeso ya enjoy kakra do so wanye wo say your budget 2025 budget de buy ye listen the market share says doso dodo na o calculate ni over something billion and so but Black Stars for kobobo what me raise funds and they support Black Stars ye ne Black Stars ye nurses the way you see ginimpa nkwa the way you see hwenimpa our hospitals the way sometimes you many one man ye anka say ye find way bi say patient be survive monim sometimes the ye no honom patient born my yani you put our effort. Na kan nimpa be wo Ghana ha. Monim nimpa nke be wo Ghana. Say nya nurses some extra effort be you put this man. Kan monim there nimpa be wo hanom. But ye the budget ahye mo ka say is too huge. 2026 budget kwa me hu say mo kan nurses asemba kompo wom. Madam for call UK na say and na so kodi ni birthday wo Dubai. Also kodi ni birthday wo Dubai. And me say now the okọ ha da bad extra money. I say that be nurse adwuma na no ye. I said, me started saving yache. Also started saving 3 months ni. What mean yes could birthday with Dubai. What's a Ghana? How about you 10 years? Togo point me konkoye. Togo. Enti kan ye hwempo ne kaban no baye. Na kan nurse simple de. Na ka plot at least ka to your salary mu at least ka basic salary kra. I feel ka 5,000 put den kan ye bad. 5,000 for nurses kan ye bad. But mo say e dawson. There you crop me say hospital facility o mumpo no o ka say bibi mpo na mfa ma necessary e na modorso na modorso me say 1 year a whole year no seven hospital a whole year but no 200 cedis near the amount and one sachet any and 1 mienu pe near the amount say 1 year no 7 you know extra income here hospital ne be ma no nothing number say can no tum because nurse okay be kwari no usuro onke kan ya kwari no nti ebetemawu ene obetu kan no atu kwan but send and this is a media na baby obi ade na semfa media no ye ne obi ade asem fa media he ya ne ade fa nurses for you have to voice out omopom kwari ye nyina we know say our motherboard no you people are doing your best but we need extra you people have to push because you nim say more yam for mu de but e bra ye femu no ye break too much abai that so be posti ya twon on posti ya twon on posti ada e posi ye wuwu ana adwuma ne ye no wo posi ye kue ada Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no kan na say we so nim say milk na ye pe na nkobobodi gu den mu e ma ye no me say Kwame Nkrumah say Gaddafi sometimes ye na ye ma ye MPs ministers ye adeketwa bi na they feel like omo ye bibi also Daniel Santimai youth ni here factories youth ni here adwuma also ma nkwala ko penti interchange nti no enwanwa but me no me ne wanwa na wom na ne de me say NPP for ye time efia kobi senior high school ye robotic way nkwala no hihye kohwe nyom mo hihye during NPP time kohwe nyom mo hihye we na enwanwa bi nya bi da o Daniel Santimai se wa man kwala ko penti visual art for ko penti fine se wa ma ye hu ni pe won kwala ni mu enti ka we bi me de ade kakra I say untimi ka ma se me brin say wo wa bye no okọ penti bi no o charge o di koma obi ma ne charge mi hu ananka ade we nka student ni betimi aye ade ba ko a ama ti ameka se ye hu government bi abetena so a o se ye hu ade student etimi ye Me sometimes no nkwala bebre won mo ye then engineering we school ha na ka contractors no say nke the students ne de nkwala ne komo mo na komo sua ebo ko secondary school po na so ye technical ne nyamanyama o say nka omo be makwan a omo nkonko ye practicals ne ade enti sa kwa no we kura bi ase na say kura sin pop so omo ye bridger akwa no ne idea no akonya no practical field no obetimi dia support omo ye communal labor bi no so omo ye bridger akwa no di nim dia be support de omo ye no we kura na se wonom enti kakaka na we are developing on mine no enti say won hu nipa won kwala ni mu no makọ penti no eno che so danya santima ya mu heli no enti we ya na mu Ashanti region ye hia painting si enko painti we na NPP time ye man kwala no ekoye robotic afia kobi senior high school ko hwe nyon wate se man kwala ne ye mo ko hwe de kwala ne ye enso mburu je painti wa mo ye se odanya santima with the painti wa danya santima na mo busa kwala ne se nkwala no mo ye painti mo busa mo se nye free education e ba ya na nke mo kwala dodo simple na nke gina ho enti me no sam ye NPP ni na me kwakoye bibi wade na waye ne ho a enya fa me condemn the art na waye ne da bi because so far as one yi coffee and free or mind foot mu amfa ntua ka no nko ade waye ade but emom no mo busa nkwala ne se nye free education e ba ya na nka nkwala no mo gina ho no kra mo dodo se na nke gina ho free education ba ya nkwala no mo nim die se those days free education nkwala nim die o mo tena fie because of free education ni wenti nti se free education na mba hwe nkwala be odi mo se teachers no nkwala bebre omo nim ade ne because of free education obey free education ma ba ko school free good 8 years o se wanya hwe amasantemai na so obi akoko penti anumpo akoko penti na so ndo wa ye bibia amasantemai a na minim de Ghana sebi yepe we original minister ye no nipa no ma ye ho afri nkwala ni mu de bio den chese mo ma ye nya ye ho internet na na kwese de o ya asantemai na asantemai we ne yepe nkwala ko hwe me system school so me de baye ko hwe de former minister edutwum man nkwala ni ye no school a blue painting we so this is the reason why a former minister edutwum de STEM schools ni baye so me training nkwala no wo nsanodwuma e wo practical field no enti we ye nsanodwuma of that STEM schools no mo ba mo 8 years last year mo ba ko see school dance in rem ye free education mo jaka che free education ye 419 what if free education for so nim 419 but mo buy no on say you are using this student some with the back where are there asantimanya mo de mo nko so ai me say youth ni ya nya ma ministers ne kwan na mo ya anyoma kitinkitin minister bi ba ye bridge or ye anyoma kitinkitin bi say wa ye bibi ntel say e bona ba so me wan ye hia dwuma Ghana ye hia nyewe ade hia kwame nkroma ye bi kwame nkroma no use student pa de ya de but as a ban bia ba as no we na adwan for student so na sika no de hye mo ho no ni refi ka student yo be de o ma ye o man mu ha no kenye bi ni enti mo ncha yi sa dede na mo twitter ya so internet ne so no na ye de santiman hia ni painting wa ya de say at least wa ma ye who school for no so fa so but we need more than this we nye ade bia
no the health minister kwabra minta kan so ba chire o chire mu say o dodo aban betimi afanie na omo maka no so ye be pe baabi edu omo ahye.
We are even going to do what we call volunteer system, and this is what I said on another platform, and they misconstrued it to be the main system. No, the main one is being done. We are targeting 16,000 for this year. That's the main one. When we finish the main one, we have because of the free primary health care, there will still be gaps. And so because of the gaps, we are going to recruit volunteers. These volunteers are not going to be given salaries. They are going to be given some stipends. So we will take these volunteers from the health professionals who have completed and they are at home. So I agree. And you cannot be a health minister and you be pampered. It's so much work to be done. And we are doing that.
Chirawa Mame, conversation. I PENYAH Media.